if you have been assigned to do a group project or a group discussion in your course site, I'm going to show you how to access and use the group space. So this is the entry page to your course site, and if you have been assigned to a group space, when you scroll down to the bottom of the course menu, you will find My Groups and whichever groups you are been entered into, and if you click this arrow to the right of the group name, you will be taken to the group home page, and there you will find a description of the group, maybe directions for use. You'll also have a list of the group members, and then you'll have a list of the tools that are available. And in this case, only the group discussion board itself is the only tool. So you'll click the tool that you want to use, discussion board, and you'll find that in the discussion board for the group there is one forum that is automatically created for you, and your instructor may have put directions for using that forum. And as with any other forum in the main course site, you'll also be able to tell how many posts there are in that forum and how many are unread. Now this forum is set up so that you cannot actually see any posts in the forum until you make your first post. So even though it says there's one post here, if you click that you'll find there's no posts, and when we enter the forum again you'll find that there are no posts here. This is the first post discussion forum. So there is one thread in here, but you can't see it until you've posted your own. And again, the forum description will show up, and you will be able to create a thread, at which point you will make your first post, give it a title, and of course your first post should actually be substance, and in this case your response to the initial question for the discussion. And once you've got your post done, you can hit submit, and then you'll be able to see any other posts that have been put there by others. So now I can see this earlier post by the instructor, and we can go in and look at that. And one thing you're being asked to do in this discussion is actually to rate the posts. And when you're looking at somebody else's posts, you can actually use this 5-star rating system here. So you can give it 1 star to say that it's pretty bad. I would consider 1 star like a D-, or 3 stars is kind of moderate, 5 stars an A+, and just click on the star that you want to give. If you want to change that, you can click on a different star. Once you've rated something, though, you can't unrate, so you can only change the rating. So we'll go ahead and give this a 5 star. Actually, I'll only give it 3 stars. And then when you're done reading that post, you can click OK, and if there's some other post you want to look at, you can go ahead and read that post and rate it as well. Now, you will find that you cannot rate your own post. You can only see how others have rated it. So, see, this doesn't light up here. I have set up the discussion forum so that you can subscribe to it. So if you go back up to the top level of the forum, you'll find Create Thread, Subscribe, and if you hit subscribe, then you see it changes to unsubscribe if you want to unsubscribe. What subscribe does, it allows you to get an email notification anytime somebody adds a new post to this forum, which can be very helpful because that way you can schedule your visit to the forum when you know there is something new there to read, and you won't waste your time. Now let me go back to the discussion board itself. The group discussion board does allow users to create a forum. Do not mistake this for creating a thread. You do not want to create a new forum. All of your discussions for this assignment should be taking place within the one forum that's already there.